All right, here's some examples of solving equations. These are exponential equations. We want to find out what x equals. So we have 12 raised to the x power equals 13. So we can take the log of both sides. Then we can use our power property and bring this exponent down in front. So we have x times log of 12 equals log of 13. Now we've changed it to a linear equation. Next, we would divide both sides by the log of 12. The log of 12s will cancel on the left, and then we enter this into our calculator. So we would enter in log of 13 divided by log of 12. Be very careful when you enter this into your calculator that you have those parentheses encasing the 13 and the 12. And you get approximately 1.032. Here's a second example. Again, we have another exponential equation on the left, so we're going to take the log of both sides. And again, the reason why we do that is so then we can use our power property and we can bring that down in front in the next step. So we'd have 2x plus 1 is being brought down in front. And then we have log of 7 equals log of 28. Now we're going to go ahead and divide both sides by the log of 7. That moves that to the right side. So on the left we have 2x plus 1 equaling log of 28 divided by log of 7. Then what we want to do is we want to subtract 1 from both sides. And then the last step is to undo that 2 that's on the left side. We want to undo that 2, so we would divide both sides by 2. Now, before you enter this into your calculator, be very careful that you encase that numerator all together and then divide it all by 2. Another way to write that problem is not dividing both sides by 2, but multiplying both sides by 1/2. So that's the other way to do that. You take 1/2 of log of 28 divided by log of 7 minus 1. You'll get the same answer. So your answer will be x is approximately 0.356. All right, here's our last example. We have another exponential equation. So our first step is to isolate the exponential. So we're going to add 5 to both sides. So we're left with 11 raised to the x minus 8, and then 54 plus 5 is 59. Now we're going to take the log of both sides. And the reason we do that is that we can then use our power property, so we can bring that power down in front in the next step. So it's x minus 8 is brought down in front. And then we have log of 11 equals log of 59. Then we want to isolate that pink x minus 8, so we would divide both sides by the log of 11. So the log of 11's cancel on the left. Now we're left with x minus 8 on the left, and on the right is log of 59 divided by log of 11. Our last step is to undo that minus 8, so we would add 8 to both sides. And then we'd enter that into our calculator. And we get approximately 9.700.